Well, if you're watching this, I'm assuming you either need a spare tire or you need a spare tire carrier. I have both today. I ordered this one because I needed a spare tire for the RV. It did not come with one when I bought it new. And this one's actually a lot nicer compared to the tires that are on here. The tires that are on here are these, I don't know, some cheap Tamarack, whatever. It's pretty much what the dealer gives you, basic, cheapest tire. Anyway, this one is from Free Country. And in particular, this is the 215/75/14. They do have a few different sizes, and this one is a load D, so it is going to handle your weight a bit more. It is going to be perfect for your trailer tires. It also has this groove that goes up and down, so it's going to help your trailer follow your vehicle a lot better. And this one was the tire and wheel and everything together, and it showed up at the door just like this. Actually, no box, nothing. It just had a sticker from FedEx right on the tire, and that was it. Now for the spare tire, we need a spare tire carrier. We had a rainstorm yesterday and I left this out here, so it got soaked. I don't think these are very hard to put on, so I probably don't really even need the instructions anyway. I mean, it doesn't look too, actually we can, well, no, that's not the instructions. But all it is a couple U-bolts, and that's pretty much it. All right, yeah, and that's everything. You can see everything got all wet. And it started to sprinkle a little bit, so I want to hurry up and get this done. I don't like my camera getting wet. All right, so we're just going to put these through the back here. As you can see, this part is really simple to put on. And then from there, we got to mount our tire. So we have these bolts that are going to go in here, and they do have these little squares on the heads. So they will be able to hold in place for you when you're tightening from the other side. Now I believe I got this correct. You use the bar down here to hold this in place, and then you got this one up here. All right, just like that, we have our spare tire and our mount on. Give you a look at the back, you'll see that it does extend out a little bit, keeps it from hitting that back part, so you got a little space there. Anyway, really good mount, easy to put it on. As you saw, didn't even need the instructions for it. We have our spare tire, everything's on, we're good to go, everything's nice and tight. So whether you're looking for the mount or you're looking for a tire, hopefully this video will give you a good idea what to expect with either of them. But overall, it's a great mount, easy to put on, and it's highly rated. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.